Respect is one of the most valuable gifts we can give ourselves. People spend their entire lives learning to respect and value their own abilities, perspectives, and sense of self-identity. We frequently find ourselves doubting our own strengths and abilities. How can we expect others to appreciate us if we don't respect ourselves? Self-esteem affects every part of your existence. It implies that you are proud of yourself and embrace your weaknesses or imperfections. So, without further ado, let's delve into how we may change things for the better and move towards self-respect. Stop looking for who is not looking for you. Stop begging. Stop saying more than is necessary. When people disrespect you, confront them immediately. Don't eat other people's food more than they eat yours. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate it. Invest in yourself. Make yourself happy. Stop entertaining gossip about other people. Think before you talk. 80% of how people value you is what comes out of your mouth. Always look your best. Dress the way you should be addressed. Be an achiever. Get busy with your goals. Respect your time. Don't stay in a relationship where you don't feel respected and valued. Walk away. Learn to spend money on yourself. That's how people will learn to spend on you. Be scarce sometimes. Be a giver more than a receiver. Don't go where you are not invited, and when invited, don't overstay your welcome. Treat people exactly the way they deserve. Accept they owe you money. 2 call attempts is enough. If they value you, they will call you back. Be good at what you do. Be the best.